everyone, and welcome back. This is just a Wednesday hydroponic update. A couple little changes to the system. I noticed that when the system is filled, it still only comes up to about half an inch, which is because of the 3-inch reducer. It doesn't quite go all the way to the bottom of the net cups. So I got creative and created a little baffle down here, and what the baffle does is allows the water to come up, and you can see here it actually fill. When the pump is on, it takes a minute for you to fill. When the pump is off, it takes 19 minutes and 35 seconds to empty this entire tube. And that makes sure that as our plants are developing roots coming off the bottom, you see a little root right there, that they are able to stay wet and don't dry out and able to grow. So basically it makes it a ebb and flow type of system, which I'm kind of excited about. So so far this is the week after, so I'll put it side by side. This is the romaine lettuce, the crisp head lettuce, doing really well. I'm starting to get some true leaves on it. The mustard giant red, it's doing pretty good. Been here since January 9th. This is the Tom Thumb, put in here January 9th. The micro tomato, getting some pretty good growth on that one. The pumpkin jalapeno, I don't know, it still looks like it's kind of struggling. It could be because the temperature too early in the year, but we are starting to see some other growth of leaves coming up on it, some true leaves. So we're hoping, fingers crossed. And the golden acre cabbage, starting to get some of its true leaves, which is really cool. So hopefully that'll work. My nutrients right now are sitting at about 800 parts per million. And my pH is sitting at 5.8, 5.9, which is the honey spot. So we'll see how the new changes with the baffles go. The system will be on for 15 minutes to flush everything through, and then cycle off for 30, and then cycle back on. And the reason why it's going to be cycled off for 30 is it takes this middle tube here 28 minutes to drain completely down. And that's because this one is draining into that one. The bottom two don't have baffles on them yet, but I'm waiting until these start growing. And then I'll move these top ones as they get bigger to the bottom because they get spaced out further. So there you go. That's hydroponic update for Wednesday. If you want to keep notified of what's going on and see the growth as it happens, keep it posted. Go ahead and subscribe below. If you can, do us a favor and like the video. That helps us out. And we'll see you next Wednesday. Until then, be safe, be blessed, and we'll see you soon. Okay, if you stuck around this long, here's a bonus tip for you. These are PVC pipes. And no, I'm not writing these with Sharpie. I'm using dry erase markers. And what this does is this allows me to write on them, and then when I need to change it, wipe it right off, nice and clean. So there you go. There's your bonus tip. Thanks for hanging on. We'll see you with the hydroponic system next Wednesday. Take care.